इंटरव्यू में मैंने ऐसा आंसर दिया, आई न्यू आई एम गोना बी सिलेक्टेड. द इंटरव्यू टोल्ड me to reduce the boot up time of my application, and this is what I did. It's a very commonly faced problem. I had a very big YAML file that I had to load at the time of boot up. If the YAML file is not loaded, my Spring Boot application cannot behave. So this is what I did. I started my Spring Boot application, and in my post construct, I offloaded the responsibility of the main thread to an asynchronous thread. I created a loader service, and this service is responsible for loading my YAML file in an asynchronous manner. Now interview questioned me, you have made it async. What happens if the file doesn't get loaded? The thread dies. How will you get to know? तो इसका भी एक जुगाड़ है. I created an atomic boolean variable in my loader service, and inside this service, I created a method is loaded, which tells me the state of this boolean variable. While loading my file in an asynchronous manner, I set this property to true once done. Otherwise, it will stay in false state. Along with this, I also created a health endpoint to which Kubernetes will continuously poll to check whether my Spring Boot application is ready or not. And I have created in this application.yaml file endpoints web exposure health. Along with this, I created a readiness indicator file in which my health state logic will be written. I have written to check the status of my loader service, whether it has loaded the appropriate YAML file or not. If this variable returns false, then it is still in loading process. It will not be ready to receive traffic. Otherwise, it will start to behave and accepting traffic. My YAML file has been loaded. Also, my main thread wasn't blocked.